Hello guys, welcome back to the chat to a YouTube video. Alright, so I know some of you guys have nerf guns. These are not real guns, okay guys? These are just nerf guns that you can shoot nerf darts.
Let's see what they have here.
I know some people be wanting those small bullets like these. For like to use in any gun, but you guys are saying that
Spam to see
if you put the small bullet in the handgun, it's not gonna come out, right? It's not gonna come out. So you're supposed to have like 2 bullets for this activity. First, you get any bullet, right? You grab your scissors.
3 for 4 for 350.
I made one already.
350.
So I'm just gonna put it like right here.
Oh, not bad. 87
Then
cents.
you
88 cents.
you cut it right there. Oh, you cut it right there. Then with that small bullet that you want to put in, you put it together. Then that's the size of the max amount of the barrel it has. So then you put the one that you just cut in there first. Then it's just gonna go right there because it has the holes. So then you grab the bullet. I'm gonna just use this bullet because that, then you put that one second and watch. Oh, that one didn't work. So try this one. Let me try this one. So let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot it one more time. Boom. See that? If you shoot it and then you put it's gonna work. If you guys like this fact, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the views even though they're so little. I know I still support them because I just started a few days ago, 1 month ago, because that was my first video. I don't know. I'm planning on making a little video, like with music or something. I don't know. But yeah, just to remind you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what you need. So hold on, I'm setting it up, guys. Yeah.
Twice?
So you need to cut it here. Then you need to, it's gonna turn out like this. And then after that, you're gonna grab this, and then you want to get your baby dart. Then you have to put it in, but don't put this in first. Let me show you. Alright. So you put this one in first, right? This one. This one is the small dart. Put it in first, and as you can see, it just went in like that. Yo, it might fall down sometimes. Only if you go like that, it's gonna fall down. Falls down, I don't mind because it happens to me all the time. I'm sure every nerf is like nerf gun. And you have like broken bullets. Then you put the bullet, like the bullet that your small dart, like the one that you cut, like this. Put it there after. Cock it back. And that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching.